Hello everyone, so I hope you remember in our previous class we done this lab. We are saying that we can send the traffic from the head office LAN network to the branch office LAN network, but the issue what we have, whatever traffic we are sending, you can see that is visible. Anyone can capture our traffic and they can read what we are sending. Like this you can see EAGRP, ICMP packet, whatever we are sending, anyone can capture our traffic and they can read our data. So this is a problem. To overcome these types of problem, we are going to configure the IPsec over the GRE. So this is the IPsec configuration. If you see here, this configuration we are going to just copy paste in the head office and in the branch office. What is present in this one? First we are creating the phase 1. Phase 1, generally when you are configuring the IPsec, what you need to do, you need to create configure phase 1. You can write like this: configure phase 1 attribute. Configure phase 1 attribute, then configure phase 2 attribute, configure phase 2 attribute. Then you will select what we can say, you can select the interesting traffic. Interesting traffic means from this LAN network to this LAN network. Interesting traffic is nothing but from this LAN network to this LAN network. If anyone is going from this LAN network to this LAN network, then only encrypt the data. That's why I am saying I am selecting the interesting traffic. If I encrypt all the data, example, one guy is sitting here, he is accessing the YouTube or Facebook. So no need to encrypt this one. Why I should encrypt if this guy is using the Facebook or YouTube or Instagram? No need to encrypt. If this guy is accessing anything from our head office to branch office or branch office to head office, then only we need to encrypt the data. Else if you encrypt for everything, our CPU of the router will go high, because no need to put the load on the CPU. Okay, so what I will do, I will select the traffic. I will select the interesting traffic. Interesting traffic means from this LAN network to this LAN network. I will select the interesting traffic. After that, what I will do, I will create the crypto map. I will add together all this with the crypto map, and then I will apply to the interface. This is a procedure for IPsec VPN, IPsec site to site VPN. So same that one we will do here. Here I am configuring the, if you see, this is a phase 1. In that one I am defining encryption. I am going to use 3DE. Hash algorithm I am using MD5. Authentication we are using pre-share key, and DP element group we are using 2. Lifetime I am using this to 86400. And here we are sharing the key. I am using the key CISCO, and this is a phase 2 we are creating, and mode we are using tunnel, and we are creating the profile ABC. In this one we are defining the time, and we are setting the transfer T set, applying to the tunnel 1, this profile. And same configuration we will do for the branch office also. You need to remember this one, whatever the attribute, in the attribute whatever authentication you are using, same thing you should use in the head office and the branch office. Policy number may change, no problem, and this lifetime will change, no problem. This key should be same, and this attribute in the phase 1 and attribute in the phase 2, that should be same. So if I am using here 3DE, here if in the head office I am using 2DE, then it will not work. So this should be match. Okay, so in the head office and the branch office, and also the phase 2 also should match from here to here. And we will apply, we will create one profile, and we will apply the tunnel, because we create tunnel 1 only, so we will use this one only. So anyhow, I will copy paste later when we do the IPsec tunnel, that is IPsec site to site VPN. In that one we are going to discuss in detail. Now just I will copy paste this. So I will go to the R1, okay, that is the head office. I will paste this one. I will go here in the global configuration mode. I will paste this. So now everything is good, no error, nothing. I will copy the same thing from here to here, from here to here in the branch office. I will paste that also in the branch office. I will go in the global configuration mode. I will paste that here. Okay, so I pasted everything. Tunnel go up and neighborship will go up. After some time, what we can do, we can send the traffic, and you can check in the Wireshark, it will show you the traffic. Okay, in the Wireshark, let me generate some traffic here. If you see here in the Wireshark, you can see we have the main mode. We have the 6 packets, 1 2 3 4 5 6 packets in the main mode, and quick mode we will have the 3 packet here. So what they are going to exchange, they are going to exchange the parameter, what they are using, all that information they are going to exchange in this first packets. They are going to create first tunnel. First tunnel is for the control plane, they are going to use the control plane traffic, and second one will be the data plane. So second tunnel data will go. So when we configure, after that, if you see, now you cannot see AGRP or ICMP anything, it is having ESP. We are using ESP, and if you see here, this is a source and this is a destination, this is a destination source, this is a destination. They are pinging, and you can see the nothing is here. Okay, if you go in the packet also, you cannot see, all are encrypted, you cannot see, nothing is present here. If attacker capture our packet, they cannot see anything, because we encrypt the data, and data is encrypted now. If you send the ping also from here, let me send some ping, you cannot see the ping. Okay, now I send the ping, again I am sending the ping. Here it will not show you the ICMP. Before you can see ICMP, and you can see before private IP, public IP, and EAGRP, everything is visible to everyone. But now if anyone capture our packet, no one can see that one, because if you see here, it is encrypted, no one can read what is present in that one. How it is encrypted? Because we configure the IPsec over the GRE, that's why it is having the encryption. So we create phase 1, we create phase 2, we configure the attribute of the phase 1, we configure the attribute of the phase 2, we use the crypto, this profile, and we mix that one and we apply. In the IPsec tunnel side to side, we are going to discuss this in detail. So now just I copy paste, I show you the output. No need to worry if you did not understand this one. In our next class, we are going to configure the IPsec side to side VPN. In that one, I am going to explain you in detail about this all. Anyhow, I will share this notepad in our Telegram channel, this one and this one, or let me put this configuration there only, so you can easily copy paste. This is the configuration I will put in our main notepad here. Okay, so this is the IPsec configuration. I can write here on the top, IPsec over GRE for head office. Okay, headquarter. This one I will share only one notepad, so you will have everything in that one, and you can write same like this here in the second router, that is a branch office. Here you can write BQ, okay, BO, whatever you want to write, branch office 1, and I will paste this here. If you see what changes you have here, you are putting your peer IP for the head office, this is a peer IP, this for the branch office head office IP is a peer IP. Okay, and the difference only this IP, and let me paste this in the branch of this notepad, where it is, this one, right? Okay, here. So now this one is good. I can share this. Let me close this so you will not confuse. This is our configuration. This is the basic configuration from here, and this is a GRE configuration. After that, if you want to run the IPsec over GRE, this is a configuration for the head office, and this is a configuration for the branch office. And topology, this is very simple, you can do yourself, I think. In case if you need this topology also, let me know, I can export from here, I can share in Telegram channel. Okay, so you can join our Telegram channel to get that information. And now it is secure, everything is secure, no one can see our data. I hope this is okay for you. In case if you have any doubts, you can put in our comments. Okay, thank you.